Can you use alternative compacting tools if you do not have a plate stamper for a small paving or hardscape project? Yes, but choose methods that match the material, layer thickness, and desired compaction level so you avoid settling and edge failure. For granular base under pavers, use a heavy hand tamper and work in overlapping passes while adding water in light amounts to help fines bind. Keep motion uniform and compact in one direction, then rotate 90 degrees for the second pass to reduce directional voids. For thinner setting beds or narrow joints, a weighted flat board or a heavy concrete block tied to a handle works well, but kneel or stand to apply steady, evenly distributed pressure rather than bouncing, which creates uneven compaction. For areas with access to a mallet, use a rubber mallet and a sacrificial board over pavers to protect faces while transferring force. Strike close to the edge to seat units without cracking. If you face larger patches or deeper base layers, rent a plate stamper for a day because rented compactors deliver consistent compaction depth and save time and rework. When renting, ask about plate size and centrifugal force to match your project. When compacting, manually check progress by probing with a length of rebar or a screwdriver to feel for soft spots and rework any loose patches immediately before setting sand or mortar. Always finish by checking levels with a straight edge and by walking the area to feel for springy spots that indicate undercompaction. Common mistakes are relying on a single pass, which leaves low-density spots that cause later settlement, so always compact in multiple overlapping passes and alternate directions. Using only dry compaction when the material needs a bit of moisture to reach optimum density, so add small amounts of water and test. And using inappropriate strikes such as metal hammers directly on pavers, which can chip or crack. So always use a sacrificial board or rubber mallet to distribute force. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with project leads. We also host an active community discussion area where we and other members share real-world tips, tool substitution ideas, and rental recommendations.